Hello student, welcome to yet another explanation video from IIT Academy. At IIT Academy, math transforms into an exhilarating journey. Join us and ignite your mathematical passion today. In the first part of the question, they are asking us to find how long it takes for the basketball to reach the maximum height. We know to find the maximum height, we will need to take d dt of ht and then equate it to 0 to find the corresponding time for the highest height. Now, in this equation, ht is equal to minus 4.75 t square plus 8.75 t plus 1.5. Now, if we take the derivative of h with respect to t, h dash t becomes minus 9.5 t plus 0.8, sorry, it's 8.75. Now which formula am I using for this one? D dx of x to the power of n is equal to n times x to the power of n minus 1. So when we were differentiating minus 4.75 t square, the power reduced by 1 unit, and then the power 2 came in front and multiplied with 4.75 to make 9.5. Now if we equate this to 0, minus 9.5 p plus 0.8.75 is equal to 0, we get p is equal to 8.75 divided by 9.5. You can very quickly use your calculator to find the value of t equal to 0.921 seconds. The second question is asking us that assuming no player catches the basketball, how long it would take for the basketball to hit the ground. So to find how long it would take to hit the ground, you can use ht is equal to 0, because at time t, when it hits the ground, height will be 0. So minus 4.75 t square plus 8.75 t plus 1.5 should be equal to 0. Now we have our quadratic formula where if you have quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, x can be found out using minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Using the same concept, I can find p is equal to minus 8.75 plus root over of b square, which is 8.75 whole square, minus 4a, which is minus 4.75, times c, which is 1.5 by 2 times minus 8, sorry, not 8, it should be minus 4.75. Now we can use the calculator to find the two possible values of t, one for the plus sign and one for the negative sign. Possible values of t are minus 0.16 and, now you see, time can never be negative. So we will take this value t is equal to 2 seconds for the basketball to hit the ground. Third part of the question is asking us that suppose a player catches the basketball at a height of 1.2 meters. What corresponding value of t will it be when the player catches the ball? So same concept again. This time ht is equal to 1.2. Therefore minus 4.75 t square plus 8.75 t plus 1.5 is equal to 1.2. Now we take this 1.2 and move it to the left side of the equation to form a quadratic equation like minus 4.75 t square plus 8.75 t plus 0.3 is equal to 0. Now once we do this, we again use the same formula. T is equal to minus 8.75 plus minus root over of 8.75 whole square minus 4 times minus 4.75 times 0.3 by 2 times minus 4.75 is the same quadratic formula that we used previously in part B of this question. Now very quickly we can again find the two possible values of t using a calculator. Two possible values of t comes out to be minus 0.034 and 1.88. Again, as time can never be negative, we will discard this value and find that t is equal to 1.88 seconds. So after 1.88 seconds from the release, the person catches the basketball at a height of 1.2 meters. Finally, the question asks us about the two limitations of using this model. Firstly, they have only considered gravity as a part of the trajectory. There can be many such variables which will affect the trajectory of the basketball. Suppose say air friction. This can also be a variable that affects the trajectory and the timings of the path. Also, we can have air pressure inside the ball. We can also have the surface area of the basketball. These few variables might affect the trajectory and are the limitations to the model given by this equation. That's it for this explanation video. Hope you have liked the explanation. Please feel free to reconnect with IITN Academy for more such interesting explanations. Thank you.